So I turn it this way, right? Or this way?
Yeah, just keep it normal.
Okay.
I think, yeah.
Yeah. We're going to make another boring video. This is the dog park.
Hi, this is a boring video, part
Valdosta, Georgia.
100. Valdosta, Georgia.
Yeah.
We're at the dog park again. And
there's Miss Lucy. Miss Lucy?
Here.
Lucy! I'm going to show you, there's some poop on the floor, on the ground, okay? Let's show you the types of poop. There's Lucy. That is dried up poop right there. Yeah, and this is a dried up poop from a small dog.
Wow. What's this right here?
And that's a Frisbee,
Frisbee that got chewed up by
from PetSmart or Frisbee. And this is also dried up poop. Nobody picks it up, I guess. The violation of code 4295.
Here's a tennis ball.
Yeah, that's a tennis ball.
Kind of nasty.
Yeah.
Dirty.
Lucy has her pop. I don't.
Lucy, sit.
This time is back.
Sit.
Yeah, Lucy's really good.
You sit.
Lucy, sit.
Good
girl. Now, paw.
Good girl.
Okay, sit. Good girl. Let's see if I can find some more poop here.
Oh, it's Doberman.
Oh, that's a Doberman pinscher. Oh, I just stepped on some poop. I like her hair. How would I look in here like that?
Be good. Yeah.
It's a Doberman. Well, that's it for now.